he's gone. Are you videoing?
Yeah, no, I am.
As nasty as anything. Squash it as soon as it's done.
No. I'm not sure that it is gonna leave, because if you look at the wings, they're still like...
Maybe it's gonna crawl inside of your skull.
They don't look dry enough, but maybe.
Maybe you're scaring it and it's like shit, I gotta get out of here. It's like calculating the risk of leaving early versus you eating it.
Maybe.
Are you just humoring me?
I don't know. Who's to say?
Foxy, you want a ball? This has been fun. I love being outdoors with you.